So we got most of the house done. Working on the garage, putting bracings up in there, cripples, whatever you call them. Yeah, we're about got this thing done. It's come along pretty good. What, we've been on this job, what, a month now, Matt?
A little bit longer.
A little bit longer than a month?
Yeah.
About 5 weeks?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's come along pretty good. We keep running into, what is it, manufacturing mistakes with the trusses. My first house I've ever built. And Matt was here. Bah! Beat it! Putting in trusses today. So I marked these on the wrong side, so I'm gonna come out. He's still not used to me vlogging. I'll start talking, he's like, what? So I come out 1.5 inches, which is the thickness of the 2x4. I measure up to that point. And it's gonna be about 31 1/8. Side of the city T. And I can't vlog a lot because this radio is constantly going and I can't record. Well, there's a bunch of music playing. So all this rest of this stuff's going to be vaulted, and so what we're doing is we're making a wall to where the drywall will go up to. So this will have an attic space and this will be vaulted. What did I say, 31 1/8? Whoa, what's up with that one?
What?
Did I tell you the wrong measurement?
You said 35.5.
No. 36, I believe. Yeah, 36.5 to 31 1/8. 36.5 and 31 1/8. Here, you want to cut this one down?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this will be covered in drywall, of course, you know, inside here, but this will be all open. I can't hammer with my left hand. Bah. Yeah, check it out. I built that. Well, I got it done. Finally, took a while. Took about 2 hours, but I got it done. Yep, and that'll be another wall, so sheetrock can go up. Yeah, this is a nice neighborhood. I like it. Got a little lake right here where this flag is. See all the geese down there. I don't know if you can see it. See them moving just a little bit where the flag is and off to the left. And there's a little pond there. We're done for the day. Yay. Yep, we're done for the day. Got this put on. Got all those boards put on. This fascia. Last of these trusses, we did these trusses yesterday, but I'm having battery problems and I couldn't record it. We got this on. Yep, we're done for the day. Yeah.
Are you good with puzzles? I think so.
What are you hitting?
I want to get that end over.
Yeah, I'm hitting something.
Yeah, you gotta get their end over.
Here, scoot your level. Scoot your level down, I can grab it. Okay. Can you push it towards me a little bit? Alright. We're gonna have a gap.
Okay, it's alright. A little bit of gap.
Right there. He's trying to fish that ball out for that dog. I love this bar.
I need to go to the bar.
Hey, Ma! Hey, Ma! I get to go to the bar!
Hammer.
Can you grab that?
Oh my god.
Did you get that on film? Trying to kill his boss.
Thought about it.
So can I get off early? I need to go get underwear.
You need underwear.
I know.
I smell that shit.
I need to get underwear. Oh, that lighter in a good spot. Here we go. Yeah, I better get down and fix that. Oh, not bad. guys can see that right there on the edge of the gable. There's a bluebird. Bluebird! Bluebird! Now this guy pull it over. Bluebird! Hey Ma! Hey Ma! Oh, look at that. It's gonna rain. I can feel it. It's being shut down. Time to get off anyway, but look at this storm. Check it out. This thing's really building. There's some lightning in the air too. Woo. Look at that. So that ends this week. We're almost done with the house. We got a little bit more sheeting to do. We got some trusses to put on, some sheeting on top of that, and I believe we're done. I don't know if we're gonna be doing that porch. See ya.